Cumin seed or jeera is a popular cooking ingredient used in India and many parts of Asia. The strong flavor and tepid aroma of cumin, combined with its numerous health benefits, has made it an indispensable spice. Modern studies have confirmed the health benefits of cumin is traditionally known for including promoting digestion and reducing food-borne infections. Research has also revealed some new benefits such as promoting weight loss and improving blood sugar control and cholesterol. Cumin helps to increase metabolism, burn extra calories, and melts belly fat. Drinking a glass of cumin water every day helps you to deal with indigestion. Cumin water not only stimulates the secretion of digestive enzymes but also accelerates the digestion process, thus helping you fight gut issues. It clears toxins from your body and provides relief from stomach-related problems like acidity, abdominal gas, morning sickness, and nausea. It is rich in antioxidants and natural substances of plant origin that are similar to cholesterol in their structure and function. They inhibit the absorption of harmful cholesterol in the digestive tract, which could be the explanation for their weight-reducing effect. Previous clinical trials have shown that consumption of foods enriched with at least 0.8 grams of plant sterols or stanols lowers the levels of LDL cholesterol. Cumin has also been associated with cancer prevention. The seeds are an excellent source of iron and support the function of the immune system. How to prepare cumin seed water? What you need: 1 glass of water, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, raw honey optional. Heat water in a pot over medium heat. Watch for small bubbles to start rising. Add cumin seeds. Boil for 5 minutes. Strain water into a glass. Add honey if desired and stir well. This recipe works best when you make and drink it before eating breakfast. You can also try seasoning your cooked veggies with some ground cumin or mixing it into your homemade hummus.